Hello there, this is Mike Earn, and today I'll be teaching you how to calculate your lot size. How to calculate your lot size. Your lot size is very important when it comes to trading, so you can know the precise amount of money you are risking per trade. It is very important, right? So now let's get started. How to calculate your lot size. First, you might want to go to Google and search for lot size calculator. And when you do that, what you get is this. You get the you get several results. The babypips.com pops up, myfxbook.com pops up as well, cashback forex also pops up. Now, I would I use myfxbook.com, more often than the others. So I advise that that is the platform you should use, right? The myfxbook platform. So if you click on it, this is what you get. Click on the myfxbook.com and this is what you get, right? So you can see that there are parameters that myfxbook, expects you to fill up. The currency pair, account currency, account size, risk ratio, stop loss pips, trade size, right? Now, for the currency pair, we can see there are several currency pairs. If you are looking for another currency pair, you can just search for it right here. Input, maybe it's the NZDJPY. NZDJPY, there you have it. You can just click on it and then you see that it changes. But for this example, we'll be using the Euro AUD. You can see there are so many pairs to choose from, right? So Euro USD rather, not AUD. Euro USD. Yeah. You can also look at the currency account currency. So what currency is your account in? Is your account in the Australian dollar, the Canadian dollar, the franc, the Euro, Great Britain pounds, Japanese yen, New Zealand dollar, or the South African currency? Whichever one it is, you click on it. Now, most accounts are in US dollars, so we're using US dollars for this example. Now, for the account size, I put up some, details here. Now, for account size, we're going to use 200 US dollars as the capital, right? And we'll be risking 5% and using 45 pips. It will be a trade that is 45 pips, right? From entry to stop loss will be 45 pips. So we input our account size. Account size 200 US dollars. Remember, risk ratio percentage 5%. Now stop loss. Remember, I said, what did I say? 45 pips. That's what I said. So now let's type in 45 pips. Now for the trade size lots, it's already, perfect with this number one, so you don't need to adjust that. They put in number one right there and it works well already. You don't need to input anything. So click on calculate and you have your results right here. Your size, the reasonable size you should use to have 5% to only reach 5% of 200 US dollars is the 0.02 lot size. That is it for the lot size calculation. But I want to show you something. Look at this button right here. This swap with money. Now, what does this swap with money do? Swap with money means you can change, instead of using percentage like we have here, instead of using the risk percentage, you can just input the amount of money that you want to risk. So when you click on swap with money, now it doesn't tell you risk percentage anymore. It tells you money USD. Now you can input the amount of money you want to risk. For instance, if you want to risk $40, you just input $40 and click on calculate, and there you have it, your new lot size, the 0.09 lot, for if you're risking $40 of 200 US dollars with 45 pips stop loss on the Euro USD currency pair right now, you have to impute a 0.09 lot size. And that's, that's it. Very simple, very straightforward. Risk calculation is very important if you want longevity in the forex trading market. You need to know how to calculate your risk per time, and your risk also needs to be consistent with how profitable the strategy you are using is, right? Some people believe that you should risk same amount on every trade. Well, that's a very reasonable way of risking. But what about if you have different strategies and one strategy works better than the other? Yes, you might want to, risk more on the better strategy while risking less on the lesser strategy. So whichever one works for you, make sure you risk properly. It's very, very important and cannot be overemphasized if you want longevity in the forex trading markets, because it's all about risk. The more risk, the more rewards, and the more risk can also lead to more losses as well. So you have to be cautious and reasonable in your in what you risk while you trade. All right, guys. Now, before we go, let me show you the product that I offer. The Premium Forex Signal Service. Now, the Premium Forex Signal Service that I offer, Premium Forex Signal Service by Mike Earn, goes for $200 monthly. With this service, what I offer is highly profitable trading signals that will take your trading to the highest level. Now, with this signal service, what I do here is to make sure that every trade that I send are trades that have really high potentials. Right now, I'm aware of many traders who send trading signals, and I assume that many of them don't even take a lot of the signals that they send, because they just believe that the obligation they have to people is to send them signals since people have paid for their service. But with me, it's quite different. Even though you have paid for your service, I only ensure that I give highly profitable trading signals, because the signals I give are the signals I take myself, right? So I ensure everything is highly profitable. And of course, the $200 we charge definitely looks quite different from a lot of other, signal services out there. And the reason is because we offer really premium service with the Premium Forex Signal service, that I offer by Mike Earn. So it's important that we take highly profitable signals, and this is what I do. So highly profitable signals is what I give. The signals I take myself. I don't give signals that I don't take. I only give signals that I take myself. And it goes for $200 monthly, but it is worth a lot more than $200 monthly. Now, to be part of what we do, my contact is in the description below. Copy the link to my direct Telegram contact, paste it in your browser, and chat me up, and let's talk about how you can come on board and be part of this highly profitable trading system, or the highly profitable trading signal service, right? So we are waiting, or let me say, I will be waiting for you. My DM is opened. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, and chat me up. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.